Okay, now I will show you how to use the website address to connect the smart lock. We just need to connect this. And we could see screen. If you don't have the login account, you will need to do the account registration. We could by phone, by email to log in. Just need to do like this. And now this is my account number, and now we could use the password such as HAILEY Haley 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, login. Okay, now
please enter administrator information.
Put 1 3 5 7 9 2. Confirm.
Successful operation. Please choose the number to operate.
Press 1 and do the phone setting, and we need to choose the second one, choose the hotspot link. Just need to do like this. And also we need add a device, add Wi-Fi device, and now we could see the cloud home. Choose this Wi-Fi connect. Now connected. Okay, we choose the current Wi-Fi, and we choose Opeta, search the device. We need waiting for a while because the smart lock connecting the phone now.
Successful operation.
Okay, successful. And we could choose the current Wi-Fi Opeta. Okay, smart lock, choose finish. And we just need press 0 and confirm. Our mobile will receive a message such as unlock. And this password we could do it like this. I will show you how to set the password.
Please log out.
Go back. And at here, we could choose my settings, set the security password, such as we couldn't see the same numbers, such as 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3, such as okay, put it again. Use the account